Today I'm comparing Fedora Linux Workstation 44 and Fedora Silverblue, two different takes on the same Fedora Linux base, but with very different philosophies. Workstation 44 is the classic experience. Traditional package management with DNF, easy tweaks, and full control over your system. It's flexible, familiar, and great if you like customizing every layer of your desktop. Silverblue, on the other hand, is immutable. That means the base system is read only, and apps are handled through Flatpak or containerized workflows. It's harder to break, easier to roll back, and honestly feels more like the future of Linux desktops. Performance-wise, they're similar, but Silverblue wins on stability, while Workstation wins on flexibility. So which one wins? If you're a power user or tinkerer, go Workstation. If you want a stable, low-maintenance system that just keeps working, Silverblue is hard to beat. Both are solid, but they serve very different users. Let me know which one you'd actually install and why in the comments below. Thanks for watching!